welcome back to the Jam Fam. Welcome back to another video. Today's video is gonna be a different type of video that y'all seen sometimes in our older videos, but now we're switching it up for 2020. First of all, if you're new to the Jam Fam, hit the subscribe button, join the family. We love y'all. Today, we're gonna take you guys inside the kitchen of the Jam Greek crew. Let's go.
So the other day, the Rush family, they posted Keisha breaking it down in the kitchen. So she showed the fried chicken and the mac and cheese. So basically, I'm my own cook. I usually like to make my own recipes and do my own thing. But since the kids watched the video too, and they're like, oh my god, Mommy, Keisha's food looks so good. So I said, you know what? Doesn't hurt to try somebody else's recipe. But it's also John Legend's, that's what Keisha said, is John Legend's recipe. So, this is it. So I did exactly what Keisha did. I marinated the meat. Not overnight though. Unfortunately, I had no time because I was working. But it's been marinating for about 5 hours now. So it smells delicious already. And I'm in the process of preparing the water for the pasta to boil. The oil to fry the chicken. And the pot to make the sauce for the mac and cheese. I'm sorry for my voice because I'm congested.
For those of y'all that live in Montreal, you know how it's been with the snow and viruses and flus going around. It's crazy. Kids been home for like the past couple of days, so it's always fun at the Jam Fam.
You have to make sure it's well battered, like well covered. The batter is homemade with all-purpose flour. There's garlic powder, cayenne pepper, black pepper. Anyways, just go follow the Rush fam and you'll see the recipe. Keisha did it well. I just had everything ready to go because it is late and the kids are hungry.
Like they didn't already been eating all day, so that's besides
oh yeah,
the
because it was a snow day today too. The water's ready for the pasta.
What's up, Grace? What are you doing?
Watching YouTube.
You watching YouTube?
Yes.
Oh. Are you watching the Prince family?
So look at the chicken.
So the chicken's taking its time.
Shimmering. And you cook it on low because you want it to cook well inside. You don't want no bloody chicken inside.
You know, with all the craziness going on in the world now. Ebola and Corona, Iguala.
Jesus Christ. And the pasta, we're just gonna boil it for about 8 minutes because it doesn't have to be really boiled, because don't forget we have to bake it in the oven too, so we don't want it too mushy. So a little bit more and we'll take it out. And we're just waiting for the butter to fully melt.
This is the first time that my wife made someone else's recipe, and it's gonna be our first time trying someone else's cooking idea, I guess.
Yeah.
However you would say. You hear that chicken?
It's already looking good. Smelling good.
So far so good. Keisha, big up. Big up your damn self. Rush fam.
See, that's what happens when they watch your channel and the kids them come and say, Mommy, why don't you make the same food like Keisha?
Yeah.
So now the butter is fully melted. Came to a bit of a boil, if you want to say. So I have to put a tablespoon of flour, and this is the most important part, like Keisha said. So you have to cook the flour. It's all-purpose flour, but you have to cook it properly so it won't clump, so you won't have clumpy pieces in your sauce, because then it's gonna kill the taste completely. Let it come to a boil as well once you put the flour. So basically what it does, it just thickens up the butter.
We're gonna make sure when it's done, we're gonna take a nice picture and we're gonna post it and we're gonna tag Keisha from the Rush Fam in it, send it to her. So yo, Keish, this is our version. Big up.
Okay, so this is ready. As you see, it came to a boil, so it thickened up the butter. So in that, I have to put about a cup and a half, we'll see. I'll use a cup first of cooking cream.
How does it smell, Georgie?
I'm gonna put the black pepper. And again, like Keisha said, me neither, I never measure. It's from the eye. Garlic powder.
That's something you learn with cooking over time. You just use moderation. Use the discretion.
Paprika. And I'm not putting cayenne pepper because my kids don't like spicy, so
yeah.
I already put a bit in the chicken. So it's already, and at least the chicken was soaking in the water as well, so it won't be as spicy. It'll have a little bit of a zesty, tangy taste, but I can't put it in the pasta because then they won't eat it. The three mixes, like the cheddar mix, the Italiano, and the mozzarella. So I'll put this. I should let it warm up actually because I just changed the fire before I put it. So the cheese, because it melts by itself, you just put it in and let it slowly blend in your cream mix. Okay, so I'm gonna throw in this because I have to put another 2 cups, but I'm just gonna slowly let it blend in so it could melt. Can you do this for a little bit?
Come guys.
Not stir, just let it melt. As you see the cheese is melting, so you see it looks. So now I'm gonna put the other 2 cups because I only have a small measuring cup. And let this one dissolve slowly. And as you see, people, I'm a professional cook, as you see. I need my kitchen. I clean as I cook. That's very important to me. The kids are dying to eat, huh? See? Look at that. Okay, so let's take this out. Pour it all. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna pour it all over the pasta. Make sure all of it goes in there. You see? It's all in there. Wow. Okay, you give me my spoon. Sorry. So make sure you get all that cheese in there. Like Keisha said, every single drop, because you don't want it to be dry when you're baking this. Okay, we're good. And now you mix it all. Oh my God, look at that.
Reggie, come see.
You make sure it's like gets in there, like it all, like you see the creaminess of it.
It's macaroni and cheese.
So you make sure it gets in there and it gets enough sauce in between.
I just sit and watch my thing, macaroni and cheese, and I thought she was making something else.
So mix it well. Get all that cream in between the pasta. You hear the noise? Like the crunch? Larry's dying to taste it. There we go. Now, I'm gonna use the cheddar mix. So guys, it's ready to go in the oven, and it's supposed to bake for about 20 minutes. So
in the oven she goes.
see you in 20 minutes.
Look at him, look at him. Look at him. I can't wait. Huh?
Sauce that Keisha made. The only thing, like I said, it's because I don't like too much spice because I get heartburn. I'm gonna add a bit of Diana honey and garlic sauce. But other than that, Keisha put some of the, I don't remember the name of it, so I'm using hot sauce. A little bit of hot sauce. Not gonna put too much.
I open mine.
That should be good.
Look how my spin comes.
And then you put your honey. I'm using Greek authentic
1 second, Grace.
honey, so it's pure honey from Greece.
You guys, I open mommy.
So you put some
I
honey.
only want to open mommy.
And I'm just gonna put a drop of honey garlic sauce. So then we're just gonna mix it all up together with the butter.
Ew, it looks like a smoothie with ketchup and oil.
Georgie, she said it looks like a smoothie with ketchup and oil.
Guys, now look at my hands. And then this.
Wow.
There we go.
This is one.
So it looks like this. So basically when you serve the chicken, you just pour a bit of this on the chicken to give it some
Extra flavor.
That's it. It's like basically a glaze or a gravy, whatever you want to call it. So there you go. The glaze is ready. Put it in the fridge.
Chicken is still cooking.
Yeah, the chicken's gonna cook.
We still have a while, but we had to feed the kids because, you know, when the kids get hungry, you just gotta give them what they want. But when it's ready in our time, you guys will know. So we'll see you guys when everything is settled over here with the chicken. The mac and cheese is already done, so there's just the chicken left. We're gonna finish up the chicken and we're gonna come back. So now, time for the mac and cheese, baby. Watch your hand, Lucky.
Yeah, watch it, everything's soft. So I'll start off with one piece of chicken now, because I'm waiting for these to finish. So Gracie, you just want mac and cheese, eh?
Yep. Whoa.
So we're served Gracie.
Everybody's so excited.
I'm going first to eat.
Yo, you guys, I can't wait to eat that.
Food's cooking up.
Oh.
Cheesy, not creamy.
Yeah. Okay, take it. We'll do your test piece.
Let's go see what Gracie wants to
Here's
say.
your fork, babe. Here's your fork. It's hot though, eh? Be careful.
Should I eat it right now?
But it's hot though.
So I need to wait. Okay, now is it good?
Guys, let's try it.
Wait, I'm gonna try.
The chicken looks so crispy, and then that I'm excited to try because I'm
Hot.
It's too hot.
Yeah, I have to blow.
So guys, it's gonna be super.
I've never tried any other mac and cheese. Daddy, look! I've never tried one.
And
You guys, now it's short sheet.
Look at Georgie. He's like Camaro, no lie.
Whatever we're gonna go right now to the house, that means first we're gonna go to the doors and then they're gonna come. And you know, Sally, she has LOL pass.
so, guys, when you rate the food out of 10?
Did mommy make it good?
Guys,
10 on
I
10?
give it 100.
Oh.
So I think 1 million sausage.
1 million? Wow.
Something.
That's a big rating, buddy.
Clearly, it came out excellent. If the kids like it, then you know it's good. Because you're always going to get your honest opinion from a child.
Be careful talking.
One.
Take a real bite.
True, bro.
Bite through.
You have to bite, true.
I did.
You guys.
So the kids, clearly they're loving it. Daddy's actually excited right now to eat his.
Guys, you know now it's mommy and daddy's turn to eat.
Yeah, but mommy and
And
daddy
let's see
are
their reaction.
Alright guys,
So, you ready for the
this
taste?
is the moment of truth. Let me see so you guys can see here.
Okay, you ready? Okay, bon appetit.
Bon appetit. Let's try the mac and cheese first.
Oh, wow. Wow, this is really good.
Very good. Now the chicken. She also put the sauce, the special sauce that they made. So I have a mixture here, chicken with the mac and cheese. Let's see how it tastes. That's boom.
Wow. This is some good stuff, man. And I'm sick, so it's opening up the sinuses as well.
Thank you, Keisha, for the recipe. Thank you, John Legend, for making this masterpiece. If you guys like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Comment down below if you want to learn about the recipe. We can refer back to the Rush Family's video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the Jam Fam. Turn on the notification bells. Keep yourself notified with us when we upload new videos. And we'll see you guys in the next video.
Peace.
Peace.